Hello guys, welcome back to Review Wireless. Today I'm going to explain review about Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. Xiaomi launched its latest flagship smartphone in the brand of Mi 10T series with a high-end camera specification. Before going to topic, make sure you subscribe and like this video and share this video. Xiaomi launched its latest smartphone flagship mobile phone with a 108 megapixel with ultra good for instead of this with a unique great design. Like it can you can by seeing this one you can be a favorite of this Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. It's a next level 5G flagship smartphone with a 865 Snapdragon processor. It comes with a 108 megapixel ultra creativity, but it has a more advanced features like ultimate creativity power. It has this mobile we can carry it in. It has in this we have two variants. One is 108 megapixel, one is flagship air camera. And now we are coming to camera department. Like it has a two variants. One I am going to explain you about Mi 10T Pro and Mi 10T. Mi 10T Pro has a 108 megapixel with a Samsung HMX 1:13 and Super Sensor 1.6 Ultra 4-in-1 Super Pixel f1.6 aperture and up to 30x zoom and 30x digital zoom OIS. And Mi 10 has 64 megapixel Sony IMX682 1:1.7 sensor 1.6 Ultra megapixel 4-in-1 Super Pixel capacitor and f1.8 1.89 aperture. And coming to a secondary camera, like it has both of the mobile have same 13 megapixel camera with a ultra wide angle camera up to 123 degrees. And next we are coming to the Mi 10T Pro. Mi 10T Pro 5 megapixel macro camera supports autofocus from a distance as short as 2 centimeters. And we are going to the next camera, like 108 ultra flagship camera with a watch Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro has. Mi 10T Pro has a good 108 megapixel with 8K recording quality. This mobile can be act like a DSLR camera. If you are not traveling this mobile best suitable for travelers. If you are traveling, instead of taking pictures, vlogging, anything, you can shoot with this mobile. With this mobile you have to carry one more power bank, like to the magazine you can long last, you can shoot as much as quality visuals with this mobile. And it has 8K video recording quality, create a movie quality content like DSLR, high-end DSLR camera. It has a Sun 680 4320 Hz high resolution, take 33 megapixel photos straight from 8K video. You can allow it, just watch this video watch from that. But this was a video uploaded by Mi 10 to Xiaomi, how they make a video with this mobile. You can check the quality, how they took pictures from their 8K recording quality. But in my which recording you can get that, you don't get that much quality. But after if you a high quality video, you can make great images, like how they are showing. These are the few images how they took from this camera. There are a lot more benefit from this mobile. It's a ultra smooth display, like 1.4H to smooth gaming profile, like enjoy the unpredicted smoothness, like 140% more frame per second than 60Hz and 7 ms between frame. Here is some basic information how it works, like frame to frame seconds, like performance quality. And you can get significant improvement gaming experience with ultra low latency and less delivery. You can act faster, secure with the win. How it we check like 144Hz, different between 144Hz and 60Hz, 6x slower depend upon 144Hz. And here is some of the main smartphone and a sync display. It has a sync display, automatically matches each app to best suitable refresh rate from 30Hz to 144Hz to get ultimate smooth experience. Optimize your power consumption. You can get more efficiency by battery life 8% battery saved after 6 hours of heavy usage, compared to keeping like a watching movie to TVs is 48 to 50 Hz, like streaming videos in 30 to 60 Hz, scrolling content up to 144, gaming with a 144 Hz. It has a MEMS technology, improves fluidity of low frame rate content to clear display, quick movement. And coming to a display side, it comes with a 6.6 and full HD plus dot display, white color cam cut, comes with a support DCI P3 certification like true colors specification, and it can optimize your reading experience to protect your eyes. Like it has a you can IPS display, comes with a high protection. You can color temperature, you can change a color temperature, you can paper texture, but with so many readers it can protect from blue eye protection. It's so much of a benefit, like comfortable eye all times. It won't treat your eyes like anything, and 360 degrees ambient light sensor, sunlight display 3.0 at 2 TUV rain and low blue light certification too, which helps to stop irritating, like it reduces the effect from your eyes. But they added so many features this mobile, and as usual we have a A65G, is a Snapdragon high-end flagship chipset. It comes with a 5G technology. It has a improved its CPU, GPU and AI performance, provides fast and existing 5G experience with IG LPDDR5 large variable 256 GB UFS 3.1 flag storage, large availability, lightning fast connectivity, support more 5G band, supports ME56. And coming to it comes with a large battery backup, like 5000 mAh battery, high capacity. But previously for Mi 10 Pro they have a 4000 mAh, but for this Mi 10T series, they Mi 10T Pro, they improve the battery capacity, and the same way they improve the more stable and efficiency, like 33 volts fast charging. You can charge mobile within 100% charging in 59 minutes. So it's a fast charging in the mobile experience. And these are some of the most important features, like multifunctional NFC, liquid cool control technology, 3D recording, dual separate line speakers, and side mounted fingerprint unlock sensor, X-axis liner vibration motor, and sophisticated design. Flagship feels like black but not too heavy. The glass back with a ceramic like cone exit glass. This come with a 3 colors, like one is cosmic black, one is lunar silver, it look like this, and one is aurora blue. 3 of the colors are good. Like added protection, they are giving you one more added protection, like silver ion antibacterial case plus antibacterial screen protector to protect your mobile from some fungal area like TUV SUV. These are the most advanced features by Mi 10T series mobile. They are going to launch 2 mobiles with the Mi 10T series 2, which are high-end mobile. If it will be compared to, like if it was, this mobile is compared to the Mi 108 megapixel camera. There are few mobiles having 108 megapixel camera, like Samsung S10, like S10 and Samsung Galaxy Note 20. They cost around more than $1,000 to $1,500, but they're giving you around $600 to $700, in between $600 to $700. You're getting a Mi 10T series mobiles with 108 megapixel 8K recording and good 10x zoom, digital zoom capability. If you want to get a great mobile, great smartphone, just go with a Mi 10T or 10T Pro. If you want a camera is a priority, go with a Mi 10T Pro. If your mobile is a priority, go with a Mi 10T. It's a ultimate gaming mobile and camera mobile, best in camera. So this is the complete review of the Mi 10T and 10T Pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe button, like this video and share this video, and comment valuable your option in comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.